How to remove odors from carpet with baking soda. If your carpet has a funny smell due to spilled food, pet odor, or years of foot traffic, baking soda might be just the right solution. Using harsh chemicals to remove stains and odors isn't good for the environment and can be irritating to your eyes and respiratory system. Baking soda is cheap, safe for pets and humans, and easy to use. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to treating the carpet with baking soda and dealing with tougher smells. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: baking soda, vacuum cleaner. Things you should know. 1. Vacuum your carpet to prepare it, and make sure there won't be any foot traffic for the next several hours. 2. Spread enough baking soda to obscure the color of the carpet itself. Then use a dry sponge to scrub the baking soda into the carpet. 3. Vacuum up the baking soda after 24 hours. Method 1. Treating the carpet with baking soda. Number 1. Vacuum your carpet first. Mixing baking soda with dirt won't be very effective. You want to start with a carpet that's as clean as possible. Vacuum your carpet to pick up any of the big particles of dirt or loose fibers. The bottom of your shoes contains oil and dirt, and the constant contact with your carpet can grind away the surface of your carpet and leave dirt deep in the fibers. Number 2. Before you give it the baking soda treatment. Once your carpet is as clean as possible, tell your family you'll be cleaning the carpet and ask them not to walk on it while you give it the baking soda treatment. Number 3. Carpet is in an area with a lot of foot traffic. If the carpet is in an area with a lot of foot traffic, you may need to treat it one section at a time. Number 4. Liberally sprinkle baking soda over the area you want to treat. Plan to use up at least 1, and maybe 2, boxes of baking soda. You want to completely cover your carpet so you can hardly tell what color it is. Since baking soda is not harmful to humans or pets, don't skimp. Number 5. Since baking soda tends to get clumpy. Since baking soda tends to get clumpy, it might be useful to transfer it to a large shaker before applying. This will help you distribute it more evenly. Number 6. Use fresh baking soda. Use fresh baking soda, rather than soda that's been sitting open in your refrigerator. A fresh, unopened box will be able to absorb more smells. Number 7. Scrub it into the carpet. Use a dry scrub brush or sponge to scrub the baking soda deep into the fibers of the carpet, so it gets all the way to the bottom. This is especially necessary if your carpet is shaggy and long. You want to make sure every part gets coated with soda. Number 8. Use an old sock or t-shirt to rub. If you're worried about ruining the texture of your carpet, use an old sock or t-shirt to rub it into your carpet, rather than scrubbing. Number 9. Not to walk on the carpet until the job. At this point, it's best not to walk on the carpet until the job is complete. Number 10. Let the baking soda sit for several hours or overnight. If you can let it sit for 24 hours, that's even better. The longer it sits, the better your results will be. Baking soda naturally neutralizes and absorbs odors rather than covering them up. Number 11. During this time, try to stay off the carpet. During this time, try to stay off the carpet, so baking soda doesn't get tracked through the house. Number 12. If you see a spot where the baking soda isn't covering the carpet, If you see a spot where the baking soda isn't covering the carpet, fill it in. It won't work unless it's actually touching the parts of the carpet that smell. Number 13. Vacuum up the baking soda. Work slowly, since that much baking soda is going to take a while to vacuum up. You'll need to go over each section of the carpet several times to get the job done. As long as it didn't get wet, the baking soda should come right up. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Dealing with tougher smells. Number 1. Give your carpet a sniff after the first baking soda treatment. Is the bad odor neutralized? One treatment will be sufficient to neutralize most bad odors. If the carpet had a particularly strong smell, you might need to give it a second treatment. Remember, the longer you let baking soda sit on the carpet, the better it will neutralize odors. Number 2. Consider shampooing your carpet before treating it. If your carpet is quite dirty, baking soda alone might not get rid of the smell. You may want to do a deeper cleaning and shampoo your carpet in preparation for a baking soda treatment. This will increase the likelihood that the treatment will work. Number 3. Using a mixture of half white vinegar and half water. In place of regular carpet shampoo, try using a mixture of half white vinegar and half water. Number 4. If you wash your carpet. If you wash your carpet, wait until it's completely dry before applying baking soda. Number 5. Consider scenting the baking soda to help mask the smell. For the smelliest of carpets, you may want to add a fresh scent to replace the old smell. To scent your baking soda, pour it into a large bowl. Add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. Use a whisk to stir the scent in and integrate it into the soda. Spoon the soda into a shaker, then treat your carpet as directed. The following fresh scents will help counteract the smell: lemon or lemongrass, lavender, eucalyptus, cedar. Number 6. Note: if you have pets, check to make sure the oil you choose is safe for use around your cat or dog. Number 7. Repeat the process once every few weeks. If you let your carpet go too long between cleanings, the bad smells will build right back up. Stay on top of your carpet's cleanliness by using a baking soda treatment every few weeks or at least once a month. The baking soda is more likely to completely eliminate odors that haven't been lingering for months or years at a time. Tips: add a few drops of lemon juice to your baking soda and mix well before using. This will add an additional pleasant scent layer over the scent neutralizing effect of the baking soda. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.